Hi, welcome to Wicomico Public Library Arts and Crafts. Today we're going to do an arts and craft bag, and it's really for children, but if there's a teenager or adult that want to do it, that's fine too, but it's strictly for children, and it's called the animal bag. So we have different characters for you, so it will be in each bag a different character, one each. You will need for this project, when you get the project, you'll have your Ziploc bag. Inside your Ziploc bag will be your handle, which is that. Your base, which is this, one sheet. And this project that I'm going to prepare for you guys are the dog. So with the dog, it's 2 pieces. And each bag is going to have a picture of it. If it's the shark, it will be a picture of the shark. And it's actually just showing you how the animal should look, okay? That's what will be in your bag. So for instance, the chicken, the dolphin, the cat, all those will be in your bag for you to see exactly how your animal should look. Also, you would need some glue, craft glue, because the craft glue will keep the project together, especially when they start putting things inside the bag. If you use the kids' Elmer glue, it won't last long because it really doesn't hold the craft product together. And some crayons so you can put your special touch on your bag. You're also going to need some paper towel, dry paper towel, and a damp paper towel. And that's to keep your fingers clean from the glue. We're going to get started. So before you get started, you actually want to take your bag and fold your bag. You'll see the little dashes on the bag, and you want to fold it in each spot. Just want to fold it down. You don't have to force it because the dashes are there, so it will fold down perfectly. Okay? So once you fold it, your bag is really in place. So let's put the bag actually together. This part right here of the bag is going to be your front bag. Okay. Well, however you want to make your front bag. This can be your front bag where your tag is on your right hand side, or this can be your front bag where your tag is on the left. However you choose to do it. If the kids are doing a project, you might want to put some paper down so the glue would not get on your table. And always be present when a child is trying to do a project, because that's very encouraging, and you know, it's nice to see them put the things together. So, since mine is going to be on my left hand side, I'm going to consider this my back. This will be my back. So on my back, I'm going to take a red piece of crayon because that's my favorite color. And I'm just going to put, my name is Cindy, C-I-N-D-Y. And I'm going to say bag. So, this is to let everyone know this is my bag. You don't have to do this. You can actually do grass, trees, however you want to design your bag, and the kids want to design a bag, let them design a bag, okay? And always look at your YouTube before starting the project with the children. I'm gonna take my glue and I'm gonna paste glue on this edge. And you just take the glue And you want to make sure the glue is at the edge. And you notice I took the wet towel and took the rest of the glue off my fingers. And if you're doing it with a child, explain to them that they don't have to over put the glue, because the kids like to put just a lot of glue on everything. So, and if you notice, there's the bag in place. And there it is. Okay. And we're going to take the edges and put some glue on it. Just make sure they're down. And you want to make sure you cover the edges. And you don't want to just have the glue just like this. You actually want to spread the glue and to make sure it covers every part of it. Be sure that it's on the edge. And there it is. Glue is left on my fingers, so I just take a damp towel, wipe it off. And you just take it and fold it back. Set it down. Let it dry for a moment. And you could just have the kids take their little hand and push the edges in the inside down. And it's just to make sure that all the glue is caught. That's why I want you to spread the glue out on the edges, so each of all parts of the edges can catch hold. And your bag is finished. Now we're going to put the animal that goes on the front of it together, which I have a dog. Some of the pieces have, all the pieces have more, either 2 or more pieces. The cat has about 1, 2, 3 pieces. This has 3 pieces. The horse has 3 pieces. This has 2, which is the dolphin. And the shark has 2. If there's a piece missing, you can just call the center library and we'll be glad to cut a piece out for you to so that your bag can be completed. Now what I normally do is, kind of put it together like this, and I see it together. And with the kids, you want to kind of show them that, you put a piece of glue. You don't want to put the glue up here because his eyes are there, and right here is an opening. So I put the glue in the middle. Wherever there's eyes and things like that, you don't want to put glue around it. It will stay. So I just have glue right there, and then I'm going to do the back, because if I don't do the back, it's going to stick out just like that. So, put a little glue right there, rub it together, wipe my fingers, dry my finger. And there's your dog. So now you're going to glue your animal onto your bag. Be sure when you're working with the kids that they don't glue it over top of what they put on the back of their bag. And they can actually put anything on their fun bag. I did this bag. I made this bag. Anything that they would choose to like to do on it. Thank God it's summertime, no school. So, like I said, just rub it. Rub the glue around, wipe your fingers, dry your fingers. And you just put the dog on your bag. And be sure that you allow them to put the bag together and allow them to decorate the bag, because it's their project. I have my dolphin swinging up. They might want their dolphin come looking down. The same thing with the fish. However they want to do it is a good thing. Then you're going to take your handle. It's a hole on this end. It's a hole on that end. You take it through. You have just a little bit. Bring it up. Twist it around so it won't come apart. And parents, if you're allowing your kids to do it, maybe you should get a little piece of candy, dollar store or something that they like, a little toy that they like that could fit in the bag. So when they finish making the bag, it would be a treat just to have them put something in the bag. And there's your bag. And on the back of it is to let everyone know this is Cindy's bag. Have fun with the project, enjoy it, and I'll see you the next time.